Etsy Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing the Etsy Affiliate Program based on my experience, and I've included links to the program in the description below. Etsy is a huge online marketplace known for unique, handmade, and vintage products, and their affiliate program allows you to earn commissions by promoting these items to your audience. Whether you're a blogger, content creator, or influencer, the Etsy Affiliate Program provides a great opportunity to monetize your platform by tapping into Etsy's diverse marketplace. One of the standout features of the Etsy Affiliate Program is its product diversity. Etsy is home to millions of products across categories like jewelry, art, clothing, home decor, and craft supplies. This means you can tailor your affiliate promotions to virtually any niche, whether you're focused on fashion, art, or even DIY crafts. As an affiliate, you can promote products directly through deep links, which take your audience straight to the specific item you're recommending, increasing the chances of conversion. The commission structure is straightforward, offering a 4-8% commission per sale, depending on the product category and affiliate volume. While this might not be the highest commission rate out there, the sheer variety and appeal of Etsy products can lead to a high conversion rate, especially if you're targeting the right audience. What makes the Etsy Affiliate Program even more attractive is its long cookie duration, 30 days. This means that if someone clicks your affiliate link and makes a purchase within 30 days, you'll earn a commission, which gives you a longer window for potential earnings. Etsy also provides affiliates with easy-to-use tools like banners, links, and creative assets to help you promote products on your site or social media. It's an excellent program for anyone passionate about handmade, vintage, or unique products, and it's a great fit for those targeting creative or DIY communities. If you're looking to monetize your blog or social media by promoting products from an ever-growing marketplace, the Etsy Affiliate Program is an excellent choice. Be sure to check out the links in the description to sign up and start promoting today.